with the rooster. Just cast into the edges here. First cast I had a hit. I don't think it was big, but could have been anything. It has more action from snappers than anything. That's right on the edge there. So the good thing about this lure, you really retrieve it slow. It sort of literally sits there. You can just tweak it through. With the rooster. Just seen it follow the work go before. Oh, it's shaking like crazy. It's nerve-wracking. Oh. And my heart's beating after that. Flipping that. And then I seen the fins, so I retrieved quick, took the lure out, cast again. It's still on. Thought it was off for a second. Please stay on. It's a really good rooster. Whoa. Blimey. I have to stop it. I've got my lot of line left. So turn line back. Well, they're from the jack family, and you can tell they're really powerful when they want to run. If I get a chance, I'm going to bring it in around to the side. I think it's too dodgy here. We stayed on this long. Let's get it. Hopefully let him kite out round here. It would be great to bring him up here. There's a kind of spot I could bring him up. So really Samson's a good rooster. Let him make a few of those tiring runs, but not too much. There's not a heck of a lot of line on this reel. You can see I might have to move where I am. Looks like a spot I could possibly bring him in over there. He's not ready yet. Don't want to bring him in here. We'll have to go over here, I think. You can see him there. I don't know if he's ready. I can bring him up here. It's a lovely rooster. I'm still on. I don't want to lose this one. He's stuck down there. I can feel him moving, but he won't come up. Feels like he's caught on something. Come on, I've got to get him out. I don't believe it. It seems to be stuck down there. Oh no. Oh, he's on. Still on. I got it, I don't believe it. I don't believe it, I got it. I thought I'd lost it. I somehow got him out. Had a tough fight around the rocks there. I'm holding him against me. It's absolutely huge. So I've got what I come for, but I've got to get him in. Just got to get him to the edge here. There he goes. He's gone off. Fantastic. Rooster. That's a rooster. He's hit it again. Shit. No, he's gone down in front. He's gone right down these rocks there. Oh shit. He goes out further. He's right out there. I thought he was going to get me on the rocks. Oh my gosh. It's going. Cast. Let's see where he is. I can see him shooting across over there. I can just keep him out where he is until he's tired. He went for the lure. He missed it the first time. He hit it, but he missed it. I carried on retrieving again, and he got it the next time he came back. Don't come in too close. Don't want him around these rocks. shit. I got washed in then, but I'm still on with it. Had to keep the rod up. There he is. Now I'm going to bring him in here. He's ready to come in. Blue's come out. Unbelievable. Can't believe I got that one. I literally finished and I was just packing up and I decided for one last cast before I packed all my gear away, and then this one followed, hit it, missed it, hit it again, and then a real big fight ensued. I got knocked off the rocks, washed in, but I managed to keep my rod up and the line out the water away from the rock in front of me. I won't go into all the details now because I've got to get him back, and I managed to land it. I can't believe it. What a brilliant finish to a trip.